Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Instagram music is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing your Instagram music is not working, then you can check the geographical and account limitations. Instagram music is not available in all regions, so if you are located in a country where the feature has not been rolled out, you may not have access the full of music library or might encounter only limited feature. So check Instagram music is available or not in your region. The second thing is check your internet connection. If you have not a proper internet connection, then you are facing the problem. If you have already a proper internet connection, then next is go to your Instagram and then click on your profile and then go to the settings and scroll down and click on the creator tools and control. Now scroll down and go to the switch account type, click on it and switch to business account or switch to a personal account that you have to want. Switch once and check the problem. After doing this step, if you are facing the same issue, then next is long press on the Instagram and click on the app info and go to the storage and cache. Once clear the cache and storage and check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to the Play Store and search here Instagram and check the update. If update is available, then update your Instagram app and check the problem. If you are facing the same issue, then next is long press on Instagram again and click on the app info and click on the uninstall the app. Once uninstall your Instagram and reinstall the Instagram. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.